Hello and welcome back to Warner Studios. Today we're going to build some side tables, and we are going to build them out of cherry. We got here some cherry that I have cut to size, jointed and planed. And what we're going to do here is do some edge glue up and make this giant panel, and we're going to cut 6 tabletops out of it, about 15 inches in diameter, and it's going to be a pedestal side table. So it's going to have a single pedestal coming out to a base, and the base is going to be built very similar. It's going to be a little bit smaller, about 11 inches in diameter. So once we get this all glued up, we're going to put this on the CNC, cut out our tabletops, glue up our bases, then cut them also on the CNC. And the pedestal is solid cherry turning block that's going to be about 30 inches long, and we are going to cut that also on the CNC. A pedestal I designed. It's going to be a simple but elegant design that I did on Carveco Maker, and it's going to be cut on the rotary axis, 4th axis on the CNC. And it's going to be it's going to be a pretty simple table, simple and elegant. Something I'm going to have pretty regularly on my shop. So we're going to get this glued up. Next you'll see this on the CNC being cut out.
Here I'm using Type Bond 3 glue for the glue up and Rockler clamps to get a nice even pressure on the sides and the top and the bottom. The process for the base is the exact same. Here we have the tabletops. Those are the center holes, and I'm showing the screen on the CNC machine so you can see how it looks when it starts. So we drilled the pilot holes for the center and cutting out the profile of the tabletops. So in my last video I shared a Stoic quote. I think I'm going to continue that in my videos. So I got a short one for this video. Something to keep in mind as we build this table. This is from Seneca. Work nourishes noble minds. I really enjoy that quote. As when I do woodworking, it's how I relax and rejuvenate from everyday stresses. So I hope you can find noble work in your daily life that helps rejuvenate yourself. But for me, it's woodworking. Now here we are doing a round over, half-inch round over of the tabletop. We'll do it for the bottom too, give it a real nice finish. We saw the spindle doing a roughing pass, and now we are on the finish pass. The roughing, we used a 1/4 inch down cut to remove the majority of the waste. And here we use a 1/16 inch ball nose. So this CNC is the Onefinity Foreman CNC, and they sell this rotary attachment. And on this particular machine, I'm able to carve anything up to 37 inches and 7 inches in diameter, which allows me to do stout table legs to fine detail work. But it's a really fun machine. So here, now we're doing the assembly. So we got the table base and the tabletop below it, and we're using these wood inserts, and we're going to use a bolt called a hanger bolt. One side is a wood screw, the other side is a bolt, and it holds the table very securely to each other using Type Bond 3 glue there. So we put the base on the pedestal, and now we're going to attach the tabletop to it. And these make really nice side tables for reading, lamps, entryways. And you're going to see I laser engrave my logo into the base of it right there. And that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed and perhaps learned something. And remember, noble work will nourish your mind.